How to move WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Moving WhatsApp from Android to iPhone is officially done using Move to iOS app during the initial setup of your iOS. Now, what you need before starting is that your Android must run Android 5 or higher than, and your iPhone must have iOS 15.5 or higher. So what you need is, first thing, your iPhone must be factory reset to or new to factory settings to see the move data from Android options available. Now then you just need to make sure to update both the devices application, and make sure both phone must be plugged into a power source and connect to a same Wi-Fi network as well. Now then you just want to make sure to use the same phone number on both device as well. Now you have to set up the Android, so download and open the Move to iOS app on your Android phone. So just go to your Play Store and install the app. There you go. Simply make sure to go ahead and select these or install the app. After which you then need to go ahead and generate code. That means turn on your iPhone and follow the step prompted until you reach the transfer your app and data screen from Android to set or get a 6 or 10 digit code. After which you will be asked to enter the code on your Android device and tap on continue. Then select WhatsApp, prepare to data transfer, complete the transfer and activate to iPhone. So this way you'll be able to move WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.